Hey guys, welcome to Just Pinoy Investing. So just a quick video guys. I believe this is one of the most asked question. Can Tesla go below $200 or even drop below $100? In my opinion, of course, this is not a financial advice. This is just my opinion. Please do your own research. In my opinion, Tesla price can go back below $100 per share if there's nothing will change from the sentiment of the investors, and also particularly if most of the potential buyers are also going to hate Elon. So again, please share your thoughts guys. If you are a pro Tesla, or if you are also don't like about Tesla and Elon Musk current position, so please share your thoughts guys. Let me know in the comments. Are you investing still in Tesla stocks? What do you think is the future will come? Of course, technology wise it's unquestionable, but of course still the buyer will also consider the brand itself. So technology wise is one thing, but the brand of course is also needs to be considered by the buyer. So as you can already as you heard from the news, in Europe the Tesla sales really drops significantly, not only in Europe, in China as well, and other countries, because mainly of Elon. So again, this is just my opinion. Tesla's stock price can even go below $100 per share, and if that times comes, maybe I'll consider buying some shares. Good luck.